So guys, may bago tayong unit na dumating. Order to ni brother from Leyte. Ito yung ating double bell na 808 PDW. Ayan. So, full yung receiver natin is polymer. So, yung fire selector na ito is merong semi-automatic tsaka full auto. Okay, meron siyang sights na rin sa top ng railing. So, yung side railing niya meron din. Tsaka yung under railing for accessories attachment. May marking naman siya kasi hindi lang masyadong kita. Ayan. Then, foldable buttstock to guys. So, may kasama na yung sticker guys Ayan, legit naman tayo. Tsaka authentic card. Tapos, pag kumuha pala kayo nito guys, may kasama na tong battery. Tsaka USB charger niya. Then, yung magazine niya is nasa 200 to 300 rounds din. Ayan, bali ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan, gwapo na ito guys. So, message lang kayo guys sa Facebook page natin yung Kuya Kurt Airsoft. Ayan, follow nyo rin ako sa TikTok.